Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Search Console, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you remove an old sitemap from your Google Search Console? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove a sitemap from your Google Search Console anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know sometimes the URL for your sitemap is going to change, so you want to go ahead and remove the old sitemap. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Search Console. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Search Console, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete or remove an old sitemap, here on the left side, you're going to click on indexing. And then when you click it, it's going to open up, and you want to click on sitemaps. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the sitemaps you might have submitted to Google Search Console. You can see I just have this one. And in order to remove it, you're going to need to click on the sitemap itself. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see more information about that sitemap. However, to delete this sitemap or remove it, up here on the very top left, not right here on these three dots, the top right, there's three dots. Click on there, and then you want to click on remove sitemap. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to delete an old sitemap from your Google Search Console, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.